Hello and welcome to Kanen Coffee Espresso Machines. Today we're testing this DeLonghi Eletta Cappuccino Espresso Machine. And let's go ahead and pull a shot. So we'll do a long coffee. I pressed the wrong button there. That's why it took so long. I pressed the select button and I needed to press the button to make the coffee. So yeah, you can see the espresso's working well. The main problem was the tank. The tank was broken off right there. So we had to take it apart, put the front piece on the new tank, and it's working well. So thank you for pairing with Kanen Coffee. Please like our videos below. If you'd like to see more videos like this, please subscribe to our channel. Thank you.